They were one of the most watched couples on Ethiopian TikTok. Their chemistry felt effortless. Their love felt real. But after a trip to Gondor for Timket, everything changed. Recordings began circulating. Screenshots spread. And then silence. No explanation. No joint videos, just distance. What really happened behind the scenes? Before the controversy, Adonai and Janie looked inseparable. They created together, traveled together, supported each other publicly. Their energy felt natural, not forced. Fans believed this was one of the strongest relationships on the platform. Then came John Daniel Janie, and John used to date. They were once the best couple on TikTok, but after John left Janie for Nayo, they broke up, and they were not on good terms. Then came Adonai, not as a character, not as a performance, just as himself. Behind the scenes, what stood out wasn't noise. It was effort, the way he showed up, the way he listened. He gave her the world, but the craziest part is she still cheated. Then came Gondor. They travelled there together, posted moments from the trip. From the outside, everything seemed normal. But sometimes, the biggest changes happen quietly. After the trip, voice recordings began circulating online. Conversations that weren't meant for the public suddenly became public.
እሺ ልወጣ ነው በቃ አንደ ባራ ጌታን አታምነኝም እግዚአብሔርን ምንም እያደረግኩ አይደለም
Fans connected the timing, the trip, the messages, the tension. No official statement was made by Adonai, and sometimes silence says more than words.
ቀድሞ ያለቀሰ ሁሉ ተበዳይ አይደለም። የጃኒን ህይወት ላለመበጥበጥ ሪሌሽንሺፕ ላለመበጥበጥ ዝም ብዬ ነበረ። ብዙ ነገር ዝም ብዬ ተቀብዬ ነበር። አሁን ግን እያንዳንዷን ነገር በማስረጃ አሰማችኋለሁ። ይሄ ጎንደር ሆና ደውላ ያወራች ነው። ስሙትና ቀጥላለሁ። ናዮ አለች እያለች ነው። ራቁቷን ስለሆነች ቪዲዮ ላይ ቪዲዮን አላሳየም ማለት በደምብ ስሙት። ቤቴ ነኝ ስታሳይ ኖረን ማንም የለም ብቻ ነው።
Soon after, something noticeable happened. No more couple content, no more shared lives, no more interactions. The absence became louder than any explanation. When two people who always posted together suddenly stop, people notice. Relationships online look perfect, but behind the scenes they're still human. Trust, communication, loyalty, these things don't change just because there's a camera. When something breaks privately, it doesn't always get repaired publicly.
Damn, bro. I went through shit. አልገባችሁም እናንተ? I went through shit.
No back and forth, just distance and unanswered questions. Maybe we will never know the full story. Maybe some things are meant to stay private. But this situation reminds us of something powerful. Not everything you see online is the full reality. And sometimes the most important moments happen behind the scenes.